Now this is how you can reverse the camera on your iPhone, and let's get started. So naturally, if you open up the camera, you can go ahead and flip it like that to go to the front facing one. Obviously that's pretty simple, but a lot of people notice that the camera just flips like a mirror. And for that you need to adjust the proper settings. So you just need to open up the settings app like that and find the camera menu right there. And part of the composition below is what's called mirror front camera. And obviously there is no correct answer here. You need to just find what works the best for you. Some people like to have that flipped, some people do not, right? So it kind of depends. I would just encourage you to turn it on, go to camera, take a selfie to see if you like it, then turn it off and compare the results. But just know that this is where it can be managed. Outside of that, what's important to know as well is that you can even perform the flipping or reversing in the Photos app. So if you locate any kind of picture which you have stored, for example, this right here, you can always tap on the edit button, then click on a crop, and then you have the mirror option right there. So you can flip it whenever you want, even in the post-production, like in the editing process. So technically it doesn't even matter that much what you pick for the camera settings, because you can always tweak that later inside of your Photos app. Now, I'm really curious to know which type of user you are in terms of this, so it would be ideal if you let me know about that. I kind of don't like the feature to be enabled, so I keep it turned off, but let me know what you think. Hit the thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe for more so you don't miss tutorials like these. I publish a lot of them daily, so thanks a lot, and I'll catch you in the future uploads.